Hello dear friends and welcome to my YouTube channel. In this video we are going to learn about the numbers from 20 to 30 in French language. If you still haven't watched my video about the numbers from 1 to 20, the link is here for you. So subscribe and stay with me. If you want to learn better, listen carefully and repeat after me. Let's get started. 20, 21, 22, 20, yes, 3, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 20, no, 30. Let's play a game to see how many you have learned. What is it? Yes, 23. This one, 25. 28? No, 27. And the last one, 30. Very good.